together in Hue City, and those aircraft were there. One destroyed, this one remained during the start of the Tet Offensive. When it was in the citadel in Hue, the Vietnamese in that Tet Offensive, the whole of South Vietnam erupted in combat. That aircraft was there and it operated during that particular period. It's got about 9,000 hours flying on combat. Military. Beechcraft then had an open run and they produced this aircraft. There are only 39 of these have been sold before World War II. Those is a white bomber to the Chinese military. After the outbreak of the war, of course the sales jumped up and over 9,000 of these were eventually produced. As a light transport, and it was designated the C-45. And the markings on drug smuggling, weapon smuggling as well. This aircraft has a much greater capability than the PC. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6 turboprop. About 1,650 shaft horsepower. Very much aerodynamically refined and improved from the PC9. We have 49 of these machines in service. Mostly operating with the Central Flying School, number 2 Flying Training School here in Western Australia, and also number 4 Squadron RAAF is used for forward air control training, as we discussed earlier on with first flew in dumb the aircraft down, or you can smarten it up by altering the systems as the pilot goes through the various training regimes towards his graduation. Very, very distinctive scheme applied to all 19 Squadron based at Duxford in Cambridgeshire in 1939, and the rest, as they say, is absolute history. It was the aircraft that gained the fame out of the Battle of Britain, even though the Hurricane shot down more aircraft, and it went on to serve in over 30 countries around the world. Very recognisable shape, that elliptical wing shape, not unique to the Spitfire. 20,300 Spitfires produced in 24 different marques. Another 2,300 plus Seafires, the navalised version, produced. Of course, both Spitfire and Seafire were powered by the Merlin, Rolls-Royce Merlin, and later the Rolls-Royce Griffon, the Merlin 27-litre V12, 1,650 cubic inches, and the Griffon, which rotates the same way, built by Rolls-Royce as well, 35 litres. These were the two aircraft that with others formed the backbone of the fighter force of the Allies during the Second World War. Had a rather inauspicious beginning. The French and the British realised that